And welcome back. 164 diecast, let's crack it open, episode 2. Really short, a couple of minutes of video, but next one to look at, we've got a Matchbox Caprice, Chevy Caprice Classic police car, released 2019, so it's quite a new one. NYPD livery, no detail on the front. Nice wheels, suit it well. Only details on the back. Usual gubbins. Well, let's crack it open. He says, artwork. There we go. Do like those wheels. No detail in the front. White interior or grey interior. No rear detail. No roof detail. Plastic base. Nice Caprice. Do like the NYPD stuff from Matchbox. Yeah, 2019 Mattel. Butterfingers. Oh, there's the Chevy Caprice Classic police car by Matchbox. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.